Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this cute little flower in just 2 minutes. You can easily make this at home by following this tutorial video. So watch this video till the end to learn it. Let's begin our video. For making this flower, we are going to start by making a magic ring. Make a magic ring, then insert your hook. I'm using a 4mm hook. Then make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3. Now we are going to make 2 double crochet. For this, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Our 2 double crochet is ready, and now we are making 3 chains, 1 2 then 3. Then make a slip stitch in the magic ring. Make a slip stitch. Our 1 petal is ready. Make again 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. Then again we are going to make 2 double crochet. This is going to be 1. Then again make 1 more double crochet, then 2. After that we are going to make again 3 chains. Make 3 chains, 1 2 and then I just mistaked it. Then again 1 2 and then 3. Make 2 double crochet, 1 2. We are going to repeat this. We are going to make 5 petals for this flower, so just repeat same process in the 5 petals. I'm making this is the third one, so I just completed the third one. Again 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3. Then 2 double crochet, 1 and then 2. After that again make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3. Then slip stitch in the magic circle, magic ring, you can call this any you want. Then again 1 more last petals for this, 3 chains, then 2 double crochet, 1 then 2. Then again make 3 chains, 1 2 and then 3. Then slip stitch in the magic circle, slip stitch. Then we are going to make chain 1 and we are going to pull the loop, we are going to pull the loop of the magic circle tightly to close the hole and make it in the flower shape. So close the hole, pull the yarn of the magic ring tightly, pull it tightly. Then we are going to cut this yarn also. Just cut this yarn, just cut it, then pull the yarn and tighten it. So this is all. Our flower is ready. Now we are going to hide the yarn tails with the help of yarn needles to make it extra secure. So just insert your yarn in the yarn needles, then hide it in the back side of the flower, just like I'm doing. Follow the steps and you will make the perfect little tiny flower in just 2-3 minutes. So you can add this in any of your project. You can add this in your bag, charm. You can make a keychain by this. You can make a hair clip, hair tie from this flower, and you can also attach it in your cardigan and your scarf and muffler. So there is a multi-purposes of this little tiny flower. You can use it as per your projects. So I'm hiding this yarn tails. Just hide the yarn tails and you will make the perfect tiny flower. So as you all can see everyone, our little tiny flower is ready. It is so beautiful and easy to make. You can easily make this at home by following this tutorial video. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. I hope you like it. There are also other many tutorials available on my YouTube channel. You can go and check it out, and if you want any other tutorials, let me know in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this video everyone. Thank you for supporting me. Bye bye.